Notion Template Creator. Dashboard is a powerful tool designed specifically for people who create and sell Notion templates. It helps you release templates faster, organize your work, and plan your social media content with ease, all in one place. The dashboard includes a template manager to keep all your templates organized, a task manager to prioritize your work, and a social media content planner to schedule posts for platforms like Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and more. It also features a notes database, pricing calculator, and brainstorming tools powered by Notion AI to help generate fresh ideas and stay inspired. Whether you're new or experienced, this dashboard helps you streamline your template creation and marketing process, ensuring you never lose track of tasks or important details. Get lifetime access and keep your template business on track with this all-in-one solution.